In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Powerbeats Pro 2 with your Android smartphone, could also be an Android tablet. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that they are in pairing mode. So open the case and don't forget to put them inside. And if you see this white light over here blinking, it means that they're in pairing mode. Great. If you do not see this white light blinking, press this button during around 3 seconds until you see the white light blinking. Then you can release your finger, they will be in pairing mode. All right, keep the case open with them inside. Go on your smartphone and we're gonna go into the Bluetooth settings. So I will drag down from the top right corner. I will press on Bluetooth here. Okay, once I keep press on it, usually it brings you directly into the Bluetooth menu. And from here, we're gonna select pair new device. Okay, and we see over here available devices. We're gonna see Powerbeats Pro. Once you see this, click it and it will pair. Click on pair, maybe it will ask you, maybe not. And here we go, they now are paired with your Android device. In your Bluetooth settings, they'll be added to your Bluetooth list to the other devices. And you're gonna see a cogwheel on the right side of the Powerbeats Pro name. Click on it and you're gonna have a few options over here you can select. You can also delete them by clicking forget. Now, the Powerbeats Pro 2 have a lot of features that are only accessible on your Android phone through the Beats app. If you don't have it, you won't have more options than the one you see here. So let's download the Beats app and I'll show you what more you can do with them. So over here, I'm on the Google Play Store. I will simply search for Beats. And once I'm over here, it's the Beats app made by Apple. I will install it. Okay, the app has been downloaded. I'll open, press agree, go down, press agree, press next, press on permissions, press on location, click on allow all the time, go back in the app. You need to allow the location because you'll be able to find your Powerbeats Pro 2 in case you lose them and they need to know the location. All right, once you're over here, it's very simple. Open the case, click on get started. Here you can click don't send or send, it does not matter. Click next, click allow and select Powerbeats Pro, but if your case is already open, you won't have to do so. Press got it. And you see over here, you're gonna have all the options, all the features available to you. If you don't get the app, you won't be able to select any of these, and some of them are quite important in my opinion. I really like the app mimics the color of your beats as well. So I like my orange Powerbeats Pro and the app is orange as well. If we go quickly through some of these options, so on top we have the battery life left in the earbuds and in the case. Over here you can select noise cancelling, transparency mode or off. Obviously now I'm not wearing them. This is why I cannot select anything from here. You have your heart rate, you can turn this on or off, change the name of your Powerbeats Pro 2. Here it's a small tutorial showing you how they work, so you just need to go through that. They will explain you how each of these features are working. Here you can change when you press the button on your Powerbeats Pro, this button on each side, what does it do? Okay, you can change from the left one and the right one. You see, you can add, change the features it activate. Heart rate, case tone, tone volume of the case, stuff like that. Honestly, just go through all of this. You won't have to do it all the time, just at least once you pair them for the first time and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. This is it. You can start listening to your music, watching movies. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.